This is madness. Oh my gosh. I'm already tired. Ugh. What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer, and this video is sponsored by Squarespace. So if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, it has probably become abundantly clear through my 5 million room cleaning videos that I am, how do you say this nicely? A disgusting, filthy, messy person? However, during my latest trek through my room realizing that I couldn't see the floor anymore, I noticed that most of the things sprawled all over my room were clothes. Which made me think, maybe the problem isn't that I'm a messy person. I have to laugh. Let's not kid ourselves, I am a messy person. However, I do think that the copious amount of clothing that I have has a direct correlation with how quickly my room does get messy. This is gonna sound like such a first world problem, which it is. With the amount of clothes that I honestly have too many options. And honestly, I think that a lot of the pieces in my closet are just sitting there and I haven't touched them for probably years. However, the one piece of clothing that I know I won't be getting rid of is this hoodie that oh my gosh, basically what I'm trying to say is I came out with merch. This is one of the items. If you would like to check it out, I'll leave the link down below. I anticipate getting rid of probably like half my closet. By no means is this video an original idea. Tons of people have done this already, but I figure I probably also need to participate in some spring cleaning in December, and I'm gonna be using Squarespace to create an online shop to sell all of the clothes that I decide to get rid of. I'm gonna show that whole process. If you don't know what Squarespace is, it is an all-in-one platform to build a professional website, an online shop, or a portfolio. It's super easy to claim a domain or URL and create a custom looking website. I have been going through a yellow phase lately. The products on here are the sample products that come on the built-in template. Obviously, I'm gonna upload my own pictures. Also, if you want to have people receive emails from your site, Squarespace also offers email campaigns. You can make custom emails that represent your brand and that stand out. And what I love about it, obviously why I'm using Squarespace, is because of the e-commerce capabilities. Whether you're just starting out like me, or if you have an established brand already, Squarespace is a great option. It has all the tools that you need to run your business, including e-commerce templates. Let me try to find what this one is called. The one that I chose was called Indigo. It also helps with inventory management. Like you see on the top, I have options to look at all of the products, and then I have bottoms, dresses, tops. I thought building a website was a lot harder, but literally just hopped on Squarespace, chose a template, messed around for a little while, and here we are. So there's also checkout, like the shopping cart thing, and has secure payments. Looking pretty legit. A sister is a businesswoman now. She said, I have an online store, and she said, I made it myself. One thing that I am really going to be taking advantage of are the analytics capabilities of Squarespace. You can see like how many people visit your site, the demographics, your most seen content. It'll be really helpful to see like what products are the most popular. You can purchase a domain directly from Squarespace. Each domain comes with a beautiful parking page. Squarespace also offers support through email 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They typically respond within an hour. So make sure to go to Squarespace.com for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using the code JENerationDIY. Alright, welcome to my closet. Let's take a look-see inside, shall we? I have a lot of stuff, and this is just half of it. Most of the stuff is in the closet. We still have like piles of stuff on the floor though. It's just because I literally can't fit it into my closet anymore. I have hoodies and light jackets on top, and then down here I have most of my other shirts. And honestly, as a kid, this probably was like my dream closet because I have so many clothes to choose from. However, it's just getting to be a little bit too much. So stay tuned to see what I get rid of and what I will be listing on my Squarespace shop. Alright, for the other side, I have my heavy duty jackets, and then we also have some dresses that are too long to be on the other side. And then on these shelves, I have my shorts, some long sleeves and tank tops, my jeans, and then on the bottom shelf I just have some sweatshirts. Okay, so there are a couple of ways that I could go about this. So the first option is to just kind of like file through my clothes and take out the ones that I don't want anymore. However, that's the method that I've been using for my entire life, and clearly it hasn't really gone that well. So the second option is the KonMari method, where you literally take out every single piece of clothing from your closet and throw it in a pile on the floor. This is killing my soul. would like to kindly introduce to you Hurricane Hooligan. I'm not gonna lie to you though, this is like kind of comfy. So I have basically all of my tops out here. This is madness, love, literal madness. I think I'm going to start by organizing everything into categories. I'm already tired. Over here we have jackets and cardigans. Here we have some of my pants because I haven't taken out everything yet. And then this giant pile is all of my hoodies, sweaters, sweatshirts, dresses, and skirts and rompers. Some of my t-shirts, tank tops, and then blouse type shirts. I think that just taking everything out of your closet really helps, because if it's just sitting in my closet, it's easier to just keep it because it's already there. But when you've taken the time to put it on the floor, things that you don't really need to keep will start feeling like they're not yours anymore. I'm gonna start by going through my hoodie, sweatshirt, sweater collection. There's no way I'm getting rid of this. This is a sample version of my merch that did not pass the test. Okay, this is the first one that I'm iffy about. I thought it was cute online, so I got it, but I'm gonna create a pile of the things that are iffy or that I don't want, and I think I'm gonna try those on to see if there's any saving grace. I made this in a DIY thrift flip video. It's hard for me to get rid of DIY clothes because I spent so much time and energy on it, so it's like my baby. But I feel like someone might enjoy this more than I do. But as Marie Kondo says, you have to say thank you to each item that you're getting rid of, so thank you. It has been a pleasure getting to know you. Goodbye. I literally have two of the same hoodie, but I actually really like this hoodie, so I might keep both of them. Oh, actually, do I need both of them? I probably don't need both of them. I tend to buy a lot of things because I need different outfits for videos. For some reason, like, re-wearing the same shirt is not allowed in my brain. Oh my gosh, this is also a DIY shirt from way long ago. Man, I remember when I used to wear this so often. I don't know, I feel like it might be time to let go. Okay, so I have two of almost the exact same sweater. I feel like I should get rid of one of them. Okay, so these are the maybe/no's that I'm gonna try on, and then these are the for sure I want to keep. So I think I'm gonna hang these up first. We always do the same thing. Lead a club at 1 or 2. Probably leave with 1 or 2. So I have the stuff that I for sure want to keep up on my clothing rack. So right now I'm gonna continue sorting through the jackets. So this was a high school graduation type of shirt. I remember I was so excited to get this because I did play on a sports team, but we never got jackets. I think I paid like $60 for this, but I don't think I ever wore this a single time. But with sentimental items, I think what makes it so difficult to let go of is that it's like a souvenir of that time in your life. Souvenirs are not really useful, but it's just like whenever you look at it, you remember memories of that time. And while souvenirs most of the time are not very practical, I think that they still are important and impactful. I think I'm gonna keep this because it reminds me of good times. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite grandma cardigan. I used to get made fun of for wearing this at school. Oh my gosh, this was like one of my favorite jackets, and this was a hand-me-down from my sister, so it has 2 siblings worth of memories. Thank you for the memes. Okay, remember when like army green jackets were a huge thing? I totally succumbed to that trend. Okay, I have 2 of almost the exact same denim jacket. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. Honestly, I don't know if I would ever wear this again, but my heart like literally aches thinking about not having this in my closet. Is this what a breakup feels like? Okay, you know, I have to keep it. I have to. Hello, it is the next day, although you probably can't tell because I'm wearing the exact same thing. And I just want to mention again, this video is sponsored by Squarespace, so thank you to Squarespace. So last night I basically put away all of the things that I'm for sure wanting to keep up here and down here, and then I cleared out the entirety of the second half of my closet, so that is completely empty now, and I sorted those into my yes pile to put back, and then added the rest to the giant pile of clothes that I have yet to try on. So I'm gonna hang up this little pile of stuff that I for sure want to keep, and then it's time to tackle this giant lump of consumerism. Let's do it. I used to wear this jacket every day in high school, and it's passed down from my sister, but I think it's a little bit too tight for my liking now. We have another jacket. I actually got this at the thrift store, but I never wore it. It is nice though, but like, will I ever wear it? This is probably also a no. So this is the exact same jacket as that first black one, but in brown. I also got this at the thrift store. I thought that I was gonna wear this, but I never ended up wearing it. Yeah, maybe not. I am starting to sweat. Oh, I used to love this jacket, but I remember it being really small. Yeah, I don't know if this is really my style anymore. Okay, I have another long jacket. This one is actually decent. This is warm. The color is like meh. I don't know. I feel like if I'm so unsure, I'm supposed to give it away. Okay, you know what? I think it's time to let go. I got this jacket recently online. Okay, that's cute. Wow, this looks like I am a yoga mom. Oh, this sweater smells straight up like a factory. Oh my gosh. I feel like it would be cute if I like tucked it into something. All right, it's a keep. Okay, kind of like grandma vibe. If I tuck it, it's a lot cuter. Oh, I feel like if it's like this, it's cuter. If it's more open. I feel like my off the shoulder days are over. I hate it when the armpits of the sleeves are like really tight, because in the summer when you start sweating, like you really start sweating into the fabric. I get that you can like lose weight in other areas, but how do you lose weight in your armpits? Like I feel like that's an area that doesn't really get smaller, so they just design these really small. I am so tired. Honestly, I am really tired right now and I kind of just want to sit here for a little bit. So I think I'm gonna get started on my website. So from the try on clips, I think that I can get some good screenshots for the pictures for the shop. All right, let's start. Squarespace.com. It is currently 11 p.m. So if I sound like I'm tired, it's because I am. Now, usually I am a huge night owl, but I think that trying on hundreds of pieces of clothing can really wear on ya. This is gonna take some time, but I'm actually really looking forward to it. It'll be fun to like add the pictures and prices and stuff, like having my own little store. I mean, it is having my own store. It's not like. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Sister is legit. I feel so professional right now. I will put the link to it in the description box if you want to shop any of the items. I recently... Did you just hear that snap? Oh wow, this is a really attractive position. Oh, this is so soft. This is honestly pretty cute. It's a really light fabric, so it would be good for fall time. If you're feeling indecisive like I always am, I think a helpful question is to ask whether or not you would buy it if you saw it in a store today. If the answer is no, you should probably get rid of it. Also, looking through this mountain of clothes has made me realize how much consumerism has really taken over the way that I live. I think because growing up, just not having money, I wasn't able to have those kinds of spending habits. I only had like 5 shirts in total that I would wear every day. I wore the same jacket and pants every day. At that time, I was like, man, I wish I had more clothes. And so as I got older and started to make some money, I was able to buy more clothes, and that's when my closet started to fill up and I became more satisfied with the options that I had every day to wear. However, at a certain point, I feel like my happiness when it comes to fullness of my closet kind of plateaued, because at a certain point, it just gets kind of excessive. I think I want to try to find more ways to style the clothes that I already have in different ways and try to go outside my comfort zone instead of buying new things that honestly are like really similar to the things that I already have. Okay, I made this in a recent thrift flip video, but I think that someone else would probably make more use of this. Throwback to when everybody went through that plaid phase. I feel like I'm back in 2015. I feel like a teacher. 2016 me would have loved this shirt. I feel like it might look better on someone else. Okay, honestly, don't know the last time I wore this cardigan, but it still slaps. I am definitely keeping this. I feel like if the neck was tighter, I would actually wear it, but it's like kind of wide, and I'm not a fan of wide necklines on me. Yeah, I just like don't think this works on me. I'm genuinely so tired right now. This used to be my favorite sweater because it was the warmest sweater that I had, so it was the only thing that I could wear every day. I think it is time to part ways from this. This is a really cute sweater and it's so soft and so warm, but I feel like I look like a candy cane. Oh shoot. I can do this. Wait, this is so cute. I kind of look like a school bus, but it's kind of a vibe. Oh, this one smells like a factory too. She doesn't even go here. Oh my gosh, this was in my first thrift flip ever. This is symbolic. I look like a mermaid? I got this online. I'm gonna say this is a definitive no. Angel boy, don't say that. Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you... Okay, I finally finished trying on everything and organizing them into 2 piles. So this pile on the left is all the stuff that I'm going to keep, and then the pile on the right is all the stuff that I'm going to get rid of. As you can see, the stuff that I'm going to be getting rid of is a lot more than the stuff I'm gonna keep, which on one hand I'm really happy about because that was my goal, but on the other hand I'm like, is this overkill? Like, will I have enough clothes to wear? Just the juxtaposition of the 2 piles is kind of scaring me right now. The next part of this plan is to hang up all the clothes that I want to keep, and then I will show you my final closet. Let's go. Angel boy. Late nights, calls on the phone, I want late nights, keep it down on the low. Be fast, but I'm taking it slow. Yeah, I'm taking it slow. Yeah, I'm taking it slow. Stop, stare. Want your body. Well guys, I finally did it. It is currently 4:06 a.m. but I was determined to finish it tonight, and I did. I finally cleared out all of the items that I don't want anymore. I totally didn't just like relocate them to another part of my room just for the end of this video until I can figure out another location for them. Just turn a blind eye. Here is my closet. Alright, here's what my closet is looking like. Honestly, it is so much more minimal than what we started with, although I'm not gonna lie, this right side does still look pretty full, so I'm happy about that. A little while ago I was kind of freaking out because I was getting rid of so much stuff. I was like, am I gonna have enough clothes to wear? But clearly, like, I'm fine. And looking at my closet, I feel very inspired because these are pieces of clothing that I actually wear pretty often. I actually ended up with an entirely empty shelf from all of the things that I got rid of. I always like to have extra room just in case I have more stuff rather than not have enough room. Thank you again so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out of the week is right here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Talking loud, talking loud.